The Wapungskur Village Council has formally requested clarification from the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board regarding the issuance of a consent to establish for Om Coke, a company proposing to set up a coke factory within the village's jurisdiction. According to Wapungskur headman Posling Dakhar, the village council is contesting the approval process, citing concerns over land ownership and lack of consultation. Posling Dakhar questioned the legitimacy of the decision, emphasizing that the Dorbashnong of Mukhep cannot unilaterally claim land ownership. Village leaders are demanding transparency and challenging the legality of the approval, seeking answers on how the Pollution Control Board granted permission without their involvement. The council's move underscores concerns about environmental impact and the need for community consent in development projects.
Score. Today, we as a Dorba member secretary of the Dorba National, we came here to meet the member secretary of the Meghalaya Pollution Control Board. We have discussing regarding this issue regarding a setup of a coke plant factory in our village. Regarding that, the concern of the village is that why somebody can come and do whatever they want in our area without the knowledge of the headman, without the NOC of the headman, without anyone knowledge from the Dorbashnong. This is something which make our village feel like we are nothing in this Eleka Joy. The law is doing whatever he want. The law is doing whatever, maybe what to say, he doesn't count that Wapungskur was in his Eleka. So what the decision, the result that came into when we talked to the member secretary is that he told us he will do a re-inspection on that specific location, whether there is a forest land or reserve forest of the village Dorba or not. But there is a forest in our village which is looking for the past 60 to 70 years. This is one of the main source regarding fresh air to come into our village. So Order Bashong strongly oppose and strongly condemn regarding the permission regarding the NOC from the Daloy and from the Dorbashnong of the Mukhep. We from the Dorbashnong, we will put a full oppose regarding the setup of the coke factory in our village. We will not let them set up unless there is a clarification from the Daloy. Daloy has to give his clarification regarding why he gave the NOC from the Ilika without the knowledge of the surrounding village in that particular area. So the Dorbashnong strongly condemn the act of the headman of the Mukhep and the Daloy of the Ilika. They have to be the sole responsible whatever happened in that particular area. We don't know who the owner is. They might be the owners of that coke plant. We don't know who they are. So they have to be responsible in whatever situation happened in that particular area. Thank you.